Hey y'all, and welcome back to Wind Down with Lee. I want to say thank you to everyone who has shared advice with me from my last retie video. I also want to say thank you to my sister who is always so patient and diligent with taking care of my hair, just as she promised when we first started this journey together. Let me tell you a few things that I have been doing differently while I show you my hair in its condition after 7 weeks. I no longer use the products that I showed you in my last video. It is just strictly water, because if you did see my last video, you know I was struggling with some dry, itchy scalp and a lot of dandruff. So this has been a fix for it, kind of just to go along and add some water and don't put any of the aloe vera or any of the coconut oil or any of that on my hair. So my advice to anyone who's watching this and who has embarked upon their own lock journey is to pay attention to your hair, your scalp, because this journey is personal, okay? And make it your own. Have fun with it and try new things. Don't be afraid of that, okay? Now, let's get into the deets on this actual retie. All right, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, guys, look, we got the first row is done. These are sections. Let's see. I know I'm doing this on camera, so it's hard to look, but yep. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there goes that. Yeah, and look how this lint check. Whoop, whoop. So it shrinks up to about right here, but her hair pulls down all the way to. Let me see. Yep, there you go.
Wow, don't play with me. I got link no.
Right, baby. Look at that.
It is growing.
Look at that. What?
Wow, she's growing.
It shrinks about here.
Right.
Literally. But it's here, okay? So,
baby, they have
so tomorrow is gonna be
right
like this.
Right.
Tomorrow's gonna be like that. But it's, it goes here. But look, this is the retie. This is my favorite part. My favorite part. Look at that.
So that's the difference.
What they say on the side? Butter.
Right. Butter. Okay.
All right, guys. So this is where we at.
Wait, Auntie got a sexy voice on.
Wait, that's okay.
Talk to me.
I know.
Talk to me. Okay. Talk to me.
All right. So,
how many we got? See what we got going on.
Okay. So as of right now, guys, I gotta tell you. Wait, I'm sorry, y'all, because y'all don't know what she just said. Okay. So like we just having the moment. We just having the moment.
If y'all listen to her voice, I was trying to comment and tell me.
So y'all tell me what y'all said. So this is how I was talking at first. I can't even do it because she said, okay.
Oh, bro, I'm done.
I'm about to stop the camera mess with you.
My stomach hurts.
Look, I ain't about to play with her, okay? I ain't about to play with her. Okay, so what we were supposed to be doing was showing you guys. So I can't. Turn your head this way so I can show these people. This is the retie and how it looks.
Oh, girl, I'm sweating down. It's too funny. Oh, Lord, okay.
Versus not being retied. You could barely see the parts. This is the new
She can't even get through.
Turn around. Look at her face. Look.
She can't even get through the hole. I am sweating. I'm laughing so hard, bro.
Okay, I gotta press pause. Cause okay.
Oh, God.
Pause. There we go. All right. So we finished the top. All of this right here is already retied. So I just want to show you guys. This is how it looks when it's retied. You can see all the beautiful parts, right? Mm-hmm. And then this is how it looks when it needs to be retied. You can barely see the parts. So this is what you want. This is what it should look like when you get your hair retied. Nice and neat, nice and clean, just pretty, and it's just so flowy. Look, Shake, shake, shake. Yeah, buddy. So all we have left to do is finish the top. And then, well, finish the top of the back and then the top. And that's it, guys. We'll see y'all when we're done with the full top. Yeah.
How many hours has it been?
We started at what, 12?
11.
We started at 11. And I'm
9:37 right now.
9:37. That's retying the entire back from ear to ear all the way
Woohoo!
around.
We doing much better than we did the last time. But that's last time we had some extra work to do, which is what you explain now, right? Like the last time Auntie was doing some extra pulling and making sure everything was secure.
Yeah. So see this right here? This is what we was trying to prevent the last time. So this is what's called slippage. And I want to also say that she didn't have a lot of dry scalp. Like her scalp looked really, really good. The last time she had a lot of dry scalp here in this area, but only seen maybe 3 or 4 locks that may have had some dry scalp, and it just could have been from me pulling, doing a retie, maybe pull, too tight of a pull.
You know what I think, Auntie? Remember, let me talk loud enough. But I think it's with me not putting the aloe and stuff on my hair no more. Remember I told you I just changed it to just water. So now all I'm doing is rinsing my hair kind of like in the shower, and all I'm putting on it is water. Nothing else. None of the stuff I showed you in the last video.
And y'all see the result. She still have a lot of body in her hair. It's not dry. It feels good. It looks good. Her scalp looks very healthy. With all that said, we're actually done with the top. It's just this was my last one. It looks like what happened was where I started the lock, when I first started braiding it, it just came loose because this was like this. It was the curly end. But it looks like it slipped down. My braid slipped down. So I'm going to go ahead and pretty much braid it back down and then make another knot here. I'm going to make a knot here, so she'll have this much curl at the end, and all this here will be interlocked. So I'm going to lock it here, pull all this down to here, so this loose hair will look like this, the lock, and then I will lock it at the root. And then we'll show you that at the end. It should look like this. Should look like this.
Everyone else. I'm just so sick of my body not working.
This is it now. No holes. This is the end.
Still doesn't have to be
bam. Now compare to the next lock.
That's true.
Yes. What time is it?
I'm sorry. I got distracted.
12:08. And we're 90% done here. We finished this whole side. I didn't band too knotted because I like the way it looks stretched out, and I just like playing in it like this. When it's band too knot, I can't do all this shit. After the retie, you just take your fingers through it like this. It just goes through, right? Like just like a comb. And then from this side, it's like the fingers. Buddy. It's a different. It's not a puff. Yeah, and look, y'all can barely see her roots on this side. You shouldn't be getting a retie. Your scalp still look like this. Okay.
And it does feel tight. Like it feels more firm, more tighter on that other side than it do the untied side. It started at 11 and since it's 12, so 12 hours today. Auntie been doing like a whole full shift here.
And I will say, it is a must. If you doing starter locks on somebody and you do their retie, it is a must that when you go to do their first retie, you take the little thing. On this one, like you really wouldn't have to do what I normally do, but I start from here on your first retie, right where your knot ends. Take that and start pulling. If you could, pull down from the ends all the way to the top. And by the time you get done, it's going to look like this at the root. You're going to have a lot of open root. And that make your time for your second retie not as long.
See y'all tomorrow for the finishing touches. We're back. Day 2 to finish. Oh, let me take this off. Guess y'all need to see. Oh, look how I look. I'm looking a little professional around this thing, baby. I'm getting ready to go to work. I need a job. Alright, so me and Auntie getting ready to start on, well, not me and Auntie. I'm just going to sit there and work, but this part is going to get done today. Alright, day 2. It is, it's time check, 9:31. Yeah, you can't see that. 931.
All right, so guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I bring my knots down more to the end, so for better locking purposes, so this here can start locking. Okay,
Yes,
so I start from the initial
I'm gonna go to bed early tonight, okay?
locking point, like down here.
Maybe another night. I'm too tired.
Here is already
Good night, honey.
tight.
Love you. Good night. Love you.
It's already tight. So I just pull down and I just go in and a lock and pull. Inside the lock and pull till I can't get no more. All of this, and when I was telling you earlier how I create slippage, this is what I mean. I just created that. So first it was like this little section. Now look, it's all of this. Alright, so now I'm about to start to retighten. Ready? So now, instead of having all that hair at the end, just have this much. All this is tight. Always look for the Y. So for the Y part, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, I'm going to change the camera and show you what I'm talking about for as the Y. You'll see if you're doing it the right way. If you got it in there right, your Y will actually show open wide. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what I mean by the Y, and that will let you know which way you need to go. Alright, other people may do it different, but this is how I know. So you're going to take your point. I'm going underneath, and right here you can see there's a opening. That's called the Y. For me, this is the Y. This is letting me know I'm going in the right way that I need to be going. You just pull it out. Now you're going to see the next Y. Go under, or see here? See that opening? That lets me know that's the right way. You don't have that opening, you're not doing, it's wrong, and you're gonna see why. Your hair is gonna start twisting like if you're doing a 2-strand twist, and that's what creates the holes. So now I go up, and here again, that's my Y, and bring it through. That's 3, and this is the last point. So I'll go here from this side through. Cause see the Y there. See it? Bam. And then now we go up. See the Y there. And bring it through. Again, you're gonna see that Y. It's hard to see it here, but there's a Y there. And then over. Go that little Y, you see? Y'all can see it from here. Look, see, to the root. And then should be one more that's gonna go through. So I'm getting 2 full 4 points here with this retie. Last Y, right at the top of the root. Pull through. Always go gentle.
She recording.
And that's it. And you have your. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all one more thing too. So when you up here and you doing your points, right, and you get to the top where you about to be on your last one, I'm gonna show you the last one. Here is my up. Go up and down. When you get here, sometimes you don't have enough space in between to pull through, and I'm gonna show you. If you get to that point and if you feel like if your client's saying it's too tight or it hurt, do not pull that through, because like this. So this could go through. This could go through. But if I put it through more, it's going to be too tight. It's going to cause breakage. Her hair can pop. It can irritate her scalp. And you do not want to do that with your locks. Or with just your hair in general. So when you get this, don't force it through. Sometimes they have a little more give if you can. When you get that, please don't force it through. You're going to be mad. The client going to be mad. The hair going to be mad. The scalp going to be mad, okay? And we're back, and guess what, guys? We are finished. Look at that thing. Woo! Wow, look at that, y'all. Y'all see? Let's show that thing. 1, 2, 3. Bam! Look at that.
Auntie,
so
Bantu
pretty.
knot me to the gods. Do you hear me? This is... And look how thick my Bantu knots are actually getting, y'all. Like, can y'all see? That means my hair, and she did them so much more smaller, and my knots are still thick. Like, my hair is definitely growing.
It's growing. And like, it was like when I was doing them, I was seeing like, y'all seen the video. Y'all gonna see, I mean, y'all seen the beginning, like how long it actually is. Like, it's so pretty. I love
She's
it.
growing. All right, so this is it as always. This has been my second retie, and I don't know, third retie. Boy, look at here. This was what, 7 weeks. So you saw it all. If you have any questions or you want to know anything, just let us know down in the comments, and trust me, we gonna answer whatever questions you have. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to go ahead and watch my whole Microloc journey because it's been fun.
Very fun.
You got anything else, Auntie?
We did it!
Right. Oh my God. All right. Look. Bye, y'all. You want to say something?
Oh, I'm sorry. My patch. Look, shoulder. It's not from doing hair. I promise. It's not. I came here with this from driving, I believe.
She is so. All right, y'all. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye.